Hello friends, today I brought for you true treasure. Let's go. Ever you think that age is something that uncontrollable, then here you will get the answer. This is the secret to looking 10 years younger. By simply eating 2 of these a day, you can restore your body's collagen levels immediately, improving the appearance of your skin, hair, and nails, while also helping regenerate cartilage in your joints. Here's how to prepare it in a pot. Pour 300 milliliters or 10 ounces of water, then bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and add 4 bags of green tea. We will also add the juice of 1 lemon and a tablespoon of honey for extra flavor. Remove the tea bags and finally add 50 grams of unflavored gelatin. Stir well until the gelatin dissolves. Pour the mixture into a container and let it cool. Then place it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours, and the recipe will be ready. How to consume it. It is recommended to consume 10 grams of gelatin a day to regulate our body's collagen levels. Just eat 2 squares of this gelatin daily to slow down premature aging and make your skin look amazingly good. Follow for more helpful information. Subscribe and comment. Thank you.